Hello everyone and welcome to TM Family Cooking. This week I will show you a great meat dish from Korea called galbijim. Galbi is ribs and jim is braised. This is a traditional dish of short ribs slowly braised in a delicious sauce. It is similar to beef stew, but the flavor is quite different. Vegetables, potato and corn are adding a complement to the beef and add their own great flavor. The dish comes from about 400 years ago during the Joseon dynasty when only the royalty could eat beef. At the time, cows were used in the fields for working the land. So it was illegal to kill a cow. Only the king's butcher was allowed to kill cow for meat. It was not until about 200 years ago that the law was changed and the common people could eat meat. Galbijim is one of the best Korean beef recipe today. An important step is making galbijim. It's called parboiling. I will teach you how Koreans do this step that takes away excess fat and blood from the beef. Let us look at the ingredients. I have here beef ribs and then carrots, corn, potato, pear and onion, stalk of green onion, garlic, chestnut, soy sauce, plum syrups, sugar, cooking wine, black pepper, and I have here alcohol. This is called Soju. I will tell you what this is for later. And then I have here ginger and bay leaves and aniseeds. That's it. Look at this one. Visual so good. Let's try. Wow, wow. Look at, do you see that? It doesn't, that old meat flavor, ginger and aniseed, baby leaves all take away that old meat flavor. And then, do you remember I put in also alcohol? Alcohol also helps to take away that flavor. And then very soft, it tastes so good. Wow, perfect. What I expected this flavor. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.